Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jeff in Ohio on this Galaxy DX2547. Jeff, got it ready to go for you, bud. Got the ultra bright white LED in here replacing the wheat lamp. Did the tune and alignment, basic tune, and I'll show you what we got. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug, half a watt, 5 watts all the way up, 50-watt slug, average power. Hello. That's 16 bird. Peak power. Hello. 30 peak. Not too bad. I have a single final. Alright, Jeff, it's ready to go. If you're watching this video and this is something you're looking for, check us out at www.truckscbsales.com or email us at truckscbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.